Hi everyone, so today I have this fantastic tool to help you monitor and manage your blood sugar. It's basically this A1C tester that you can get. And the great thing about it is there's 4 kits that come with it and it takes 5 minutes. Also, it's a finger stick, so it's not a blood draw like if you go to the doctor. Again, if you go to the doctor, you go once a year typically, so you get this reading over the last 3 months, because that's what an A1C does. It tests your blood sugar over the last 3 months or the last 90 days. If you go once a year, you're going to see one point in time. With this, you can see it 4 different times, or if there's a couple that you're checking, 2. But anyway, it's great to manage on your own, or you can show the doctor if you want to use it with that too. And again, instead of a blood draw on your arm, it's a finger stick. It takes 5 minutes. You do it at home. And this lets you check whenever you want your A1C. Because when you go to the doctor, again, it's that one time a year thing where you see it. So here, if you want to check the next month, you can do it. See if your eating habits are helping or hurting, your stress, exercise. You can check all of these things and you don't have to go to the doctor to do it. And it's simple, like instead, it's basically if you've ever used a glucometer where they stick your finger, you get that instant reading of your blood sugar right then, but it's not that 3-month reading. So this is really pretty cool, and it lets you reduce or manage or hopefully get rid of this. And again, if you go to the doctor, they're going to diagnose you with this. So if you can keep it stable, that keeps you from another diagnosis if you don't already have it. Can't think of anything bad to say about this. Highly recommend it. I'll give you a link to see where to get it. Hope you try it out. It's really a great tool. And I'll talk to you next time.